How you doing, brother? How things? How things? Of course, you know the water level coming up.
Yeah.
How bad it affecting you? Well, I shouldn't even ask that because I could see how bad it affecting you. And I know you is one resident. Nobody don't come by you because once they see the amount of water by the road, nobody driving in here.
Yeah.
But I remember last time we spoke, you told me how bad it was, and I said, you know what? Let me brave the water and come through to see how this gentleman doing. So give us an idea where you are and what is causing this.
It's the normal thing in the water run in the river, the amount of water going in the river. So I'm backing up from the river.
So the bank breach somewhere here too?
No, not nowhere, boss. The water just come, look, you see it right there. The water just come over the river.
Right. So guys, I don't know if we could focus on this from here. But listen, it have no river bank here. The river now is now level with the land, right? And because that is the case, once the water level comes up, obviously there's going to flood. So there is no river bank here. Now, do you know which river this is? This is the same Koromata River we're talking about over and over again that is in need of repair. And why is it? People living in the community have to go through this. Why is that? Why? Why we have to go through this over and over when we have been asking for the Koromata Bank to be built like it was many years ago? How long you living here?
About 25 years.
About 25 years. And I sure you remember when it had a bank that you had to climb up on that river. Now we have nothing like that. So, go ahead, sorry.
Yeah, the road and the driver here is the same thing.
And the river same thing, same height.
Yeah, you put a level is the same thing.
So
once the water raised in the river, it must come back here.
So why are we allowing this to happen? Why are we allowing a river bank to be degraded over the years and it is not being repaired and such a large community is being affected? Look at this man's home. Every time rain falls and the river level rises, he has to go through this. And guess what? This is just one story. There are thousands of people who face the same disgusting plight because of lack of management of the waterways. We are asking for change. We are asking for the state to say, listen, we have made these people suffer too much and it is time to bring relief. That is the function of Ministry of Works and Drainage. That is the mandate and they are not delivering. So this is Edward Moody from the South Orapooch Riverine Flood Action Group. We out here in the flood and we showing, we exposing the facts. Ranson Anan and Faris Alwari, who are you going to blame for this? Nobody but yourselves.